Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you followed along any of my stuff, you know I'm going to Thailand shortly, and what do I need? I plan to bring a toothbrush with me, but what I have here is a toothbrush holder and charger all in one. So okay, so you have this piece, or you have this, and then a separate charger, right? Because this is my case for my toothbrush. So if we take the toothbrush and the toothbrush head, right, instead of bringing all that stuff, I can just put it in here, and it looks like it'll just go in there as such. Oh, actually, it looks like it goes this way. Look at that, it even has the place for the light there, and then this will probably just go in there, and then I can put the top on it here, there, and I guess depending on the height of your toothbrush, you can squeeze it down, and then what you have here, check this out, is a charger built into it right there. So I can go ahead and take a USB-C charger and plug it into it, and now, oh, it's not centered on there, but let me show you guys. It's going to be charging. Well, where is the light? Oh, maybe it doesn't light up. Oh, it lights up in the bottom. Durr. The light is down there. So you see, it says it is charging now. So now I can have a charger, and I can just use my phone charger and charge. This thing here I'm just screwing in to make it tight so it's taut. So there, now I have, this is charging on here while it's in the case. And so I can just go, and then when I'm done, I made it a little too tight, there we go. I can just bring a charger, I can just use my phone. This is just a USB-C charger. And now I can just charge my toothbrush. It vibrates every time I plug it in. I can charge my toothbrush right there as I go. And it has the place for my toothbrush. Just pull this off, there's my toothbrush and my little toothbrush head. So instead of having to carry this, which is about even bigger than that to start with, and a separate charger, I can just bring this and I am good to go. It even comes with a little loop thing so I can loop it. I'm not sure what this little fill button is here. It came with I'm not sure what that would be for. Oh, I guess you could put that in the top here if you wanted to, if you had a shorter toothbrush maybe. So I don't know, mine seemed to fit okay, but I guess you could put that in there and then it won't bounce around as much or something. I don't know. Boy, once you get it in there, it's not coming out, but totally cool. I like this. Thumbs up.